Now that we have the text we need for our credits, we need to go put it here in Premiere. You can see that I've got my video captioned, keyframed, ready to go. So these credits are going to go at the end. There's a couple different ways. You can get fancy with some keyframing there, but I'll show you the easiest way. First of all, when we create that new text, it's going to go wherever the laser pointer is. If you want to be right at the very, very end, you can do this to get to that last point. If you're down here focused, you can press end on your keyboard as well. Notice I've already deleted my template captions. Don't need those anymore, so we don't want the video to keep going. Let's go ahead and use our text tool right here. And you can see that I have my safe margins visible here. Let me change this to fit. And I can show you how I got that. It's a button right here that I added. If I click the add button, then I can take things off of that button bar and I can put them on. Click OK, and that way you can turn that on. You can draw your corral carefully and it won't be a problem, but it is nice to know exactly how big can our corral be. I'm going to draw my rectangle here. Press Ctrl V. There you go. Now it's way too big, so I need to scale down the font size. If I press Ctrl A, it will select all of the text in the box, even the part you can't see. And here's the font size. This is there because I'm in the Effects workspace before. I was in Editing, but Effects will let me change things about the font. It's got color and stuff as well. You just need to make sure that it's really legible. I'm also going to center it. I think it looks nicer when it's right in the middle. And if you make it exactly the right size, then it's harder to put the little enter right here. I think it's nice when there's a space. So better to make it a little bit smaller than you need. Control A. Shrink it down a little bit. I don't like that period there. And then you can go back and scale these up if you want to. If I just put a cross dissolve on there, I'm going to press Ctrl D since it's selected, and we have the basics. We're giving credit to those websites because we didn't take those pictures ourselves. Now you'll notice that I have, it always jumps to the end. I've moved my warning color. It's okay to shorten that up a little bit, especially if we're just going to have our transition end. We don't want to see that red. Another thing you can do is to overlap this. So I can have the picture fading and here comes the credits and then it's going to fade out. Now we can animate that as well. So I'll make another video for those of you that want to do a little scrolling credits at the end.